Hi guys, welcome to another video. Before we start, I'd like to say that I'm not affiliated with this company at all. So this is just a subscription service that I pay for. It's called Because Race Car Box. This is the second box that I've got from them, and you know, I really enjoyed the first box up, so I thought I'll just film the unboxing of the second one. So here it is. It comes in one of these boxes. You know, it feels like there's a lot of stuff in, and it is £17 a month. Let's see what we get. It's very nicely packaged. It comes with this little card. I'm guessing it's going to be a different picture every single time because, you know, I think I had I'm sure it was a Skyline on the first box that I got. So we've got a Porsche 911 here. And on the back it tells you how to use all the, you know, the products that are in it. It kind of spoils it in a way. I wish this was at the bottom because then you won't know what you're getting. But anyway, let's dive into it. We've got an applicator pad. Looks like a tyre shine pad, but no, definitely a pad for putting polish. Got the Hex logos. Really soft. That's nice. Won't be soft for long. Right, what else have we got? Black sheet detailing priming polish. Revives dull and tired paint with a high gloss finish. Shake before use. Use foam applicator. That's a black sheet detailing. I'll read back to front. But in the last box I got the quick detailer by this company, and you know, that were really good, so we'll use this, I think. You know, when the weather brights up. It's pouring down at the moment. We got Iron Wash by Cartec. Iron Wash is an effective acid-free decontamination cleaner suitable for car bodywork, wheels, plastic, windows. Iron Wash is specially designed for small metal particles such as rust, which have adhered to the paint and surrounding areas. It removes stubborn brake dust from wheels and hubcaps. It's a pH neutral product, so it's safe on bodywork wheels. Recommend do a small test on the area before applying fully. Directions for use: spray the iron wash on the surface to be treated and then let it dwell. After a few minutes the contaminants will turn purple. Make sure the iron wash is rinsed off after it has dried. For stubborn dirt, this treatment can be repeated. Iron wash has a very distinct odour, so if it smells quite bad, you know, if it's still on your car and you need to wash it off, I would probably do it and then obviously wash your car again after. Got to wear the protective gloves as well. It's a shame because I've just bought some Iron X, the Auto Finesse stuff, and I've just got this in the box. Right, that's nice. Oh, we got a Because Race Car sticker. Put that on later. We've got a locking vinyl sticker. What we got here? Auto Perfectionist Citrus Rinse. So these bottles are quite big. I mean, for 17 quid, I think I've got, you know, £17 worth already just in a little bit of polish, iron wash, and you know, that pad sticker. So Yeah, spray citrus rinse onto paintwork, leave to dry for 1 to 2 minutes, rinse off and follow with our snow foam and shampoo. Do not allow to dry on bodywork. So probably not a product to use when it's hot. And this is a pre-wash cleanser. Its citrus-based formula degreases and cleans to effectively remove flies, traffic film and general dirt from paintwork. So you've got loads of bugs on front of your car, or the splatter outside of your car on your windscreen. This is quite a good product to use beforehand, because them bugs can be quite tough to get off if you leave them on for too long. What we got here? Next one, Chemical Guys Stripper Suds Premium Stripper Scent. It's like being at Diamonds if you're from Bolton. So, Chemical Guys Stripper Suds seal packet. Oh, it's a shampoo. I thought it was a air freshener. Oh, that's cool. Right, we'll give that a go. What else have we got? Oh, we got some detailing gloves. Again, I've just bought off eBay a pack of 300 of these. But anyway, another pair. And that's it. So it comes in loads of foam packets, so you know that it's not going to get damaged on the way here. So yeah, I look forward to using all these, especially the stripper scent, and maybe I'll do a video comparing the Cartec iron wash to the Auto Finesse stuff. You know, if you're wondering which one to buy, probably give you a good indication. So yeah, I'll probably just get a video now of them all together when I get back home. So yeah, see you later.